Yeah, well. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Now this video is a casual vlog of a painting workshop that I recently took with my friends, and I loved that experience. So I thought it would be nice to share it with all of you. Now this painting workshop was led by my dear friend Maha. He's an amazing artist. You should check out his Instagram page. It was a great experience overall, and all of us created amazing art. Like even the newbies came up with such amazing art pieces that we were all kind of surprised by our own skills. So this video is going to be highlights and glimpses from that amazing art workshop, and in the end I will show you the masterpiece that I created. And I will also read some of my favorite comments on my last video. This workshop was artsy, amazing and fun. Let's begin the video. So we are setting up for the workshop. So this is all the art material. Our maker art leader today, Maharaj, will tell us what are the materials. We have these cute and tiny canvases.
Yeah. So these are some canvases which I have, and these are like the plain ones which we already have, and these are coated with gesso.
Oh, nice.
Gesso. So
Okay.
basically this is something like white cement.
These are the colors. These are acrylic.
These are
Colors.
gouache.
Okay.
Gouache paints. So I avoided acrylic because people will definitely spill something. These are masking tapes. And these are amazing brushes.
Ooh, brushes. All right. These are some of the bigger canvases, right?
Yeah.
Here are some of the samples that Maha has made, just for references. Look at the amazing brush strokes, like the designs, the colors, they're so good. Maha is our in-house artist expert. Hi! Enthu cutlets coming in for the workshop. Hi!
So Bruto's painting skills are 11 on 10.
Ooh.
So I'm quite excited to see 20 on 10.
And people started settling down. Also curiously checking out all the art supplies they've received on the table.
Okay, so I'll talk about gouache a little bit, which gives the essence of oil painting in itself. And that's what will give the actual feel. So it has to be planned well through, like it has to be in your head before you start painting watercolor. Michelangelo is someone who's very precise in his paintings. If you see, it's very realistic and all this thing. So that's all it's all about. It's about observing the right color and then placing it as you want. It should be placed in a way that it complements that highlight. It can be darker also. So if you see, when I start something, I try to start with the background, how things are.
We have to keep one.
It's same. It's almost white. Take a big one. We are going from the sky, okay? Yeah, that's. You can even add.
Yeah, dark pigments tend to darken the whole
Yeah,
thing very
this is dark.
quickly. So in total we made 2 artworks, and our first assignment was to make a landscape scenery. So we first painted the skies, then made mountains and added more and more details as we went on. This whole process was guided by Maharaj, so it helped us getting used to these colors.
Okay, guys, see this. See.
Okay, we can go wrong. This is fine.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
trial. It's trial.
Trust the process.
Why are we never in the video?
I am taking. Yeah, well. Very soon everyone got a hang of these colors, and Maharaj kept guiding us step by step. So with that, everyone started making progress on their artwork.
We have figured out our mid-tone, the highlights and the shadows.
Pro tips and tricks also kept coming.
So see, what you have done is you have turned your stroke, right? Don't turn your stroke. Just, that's all.
Okay, how's it going?
Stop, yeah. Oh, exact numbers.
Kind of grassland.
So if you didn't accept me at my mid tones, you don't deserve me at my high tones.
Oh my God, yeah.
And so all of us completed our first trial painting. And we were extremely proud of it.
Show me yours.
So, Picasso's. Yes. Okay, let me show mine. Oh, okay. And now it was time to paint our final artwork, and Maharaj distributed the tiny canvases to paint on. To create a matting, we covered the edges with masking tape.
On the full canvas ahead, we can draw a vase.
There were a few designs to choose from, but most of us opted to paint a vase and flowers.
Oh, everyone wants.
तो
Okay.
सभी वास करें सब वास ही करते हैं ना क्योंकि वास में थोड़ा वो क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम भी है कुछ भी शेप दे सकते हैं. For the second assignment, everyone showed their own creativity and drew their own imagination of a vase. So every design was unique and different.
Yeah.
I chose my color theme to be purple, pink and brown because I love pink flowers. So I thought they would look really pretty. So I started basically making the background as a deep, desaturated purple. This shade of purple that I chose is dark because I wanted my flowers to kind of pop in front of it. So hence this dark, desaturated color made sense. Everyone was, I felt, almost in a deep meditative state when they were painting. There was less of banter and everyone kind of got lost in their art. Ooh, this is like some major block color blocking.
Yeah. You can just. Mix both.
And first we did the center.
Yeah.
After completing the background, I started coloring and detailing my vase, which is a very asymmetrical, curvy, antique kind of a vase. I am just loving the shape of this. And then I started adding some of the foliage, which was green, almost like a teal bluish green color, and added my hot pink flowers
bounded,
also.
right?
And here's the finished look, and it looks so pretty. And it was time to remove the masking tape and reveal the final look. Yay! The line is so clean. I'm so happy how beautiful it has turned out.
Awesome. Nice.
Thank you. It's done. Looks so pretty. Woo! Work.
Oh God, are you asking me to do this?
Actually, yeah, we'll do this later, maybe. Yay! How did you feel?
Amazing.
So this was the video and it was an excellent workshop and it was super successful because everyone who participated kind of was ready to experiment with a new medium and try new things and just let go of their perfectionism and came up with amazing art pieces. I also got to try a completely new paint medium, gouache paints, which was a completely new experience for me and I thoroughly enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments box which part of this video was your favorite and if you liked my art or not. I would love to read your honest feedback on my art. Talking about comments, here are some of my favorite comments from on my last video, which was a home hacks video. So Virul Gupta 4246 writes, one thing that I want to add is never keep potato and onion together. They will damage each other. So a lot of people have told me that, and I discovered it recently, that you should never store onions with potatoes. So this is a new learning for me. Thank you. I love your idea of fridge magnets. I have some blocks I used earlier to paint curtains, but now I'm going to use to decorate my fridge. Thanks for liking my home hack and using that in your home. It really feels good. Now on my last video, a lot of people have asked me the name of the plant which I have shown in the video. Let me just show that plant again. This right here is a plant that I'd shown in my last video and its name is philodendron. It can be basically grown from a cutting and it's very easy to grow in water. So just get yourself a cutting from the wild and you're good to go. Thanks all of you who have written such lovely comments and asked questions. I love reading your comments, and so if you like this video, I would highly appreciate if you could write a comment, asking questions, appreciate, anything is welcome. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.